Define thermodynamic favorability. In chemistry, a process is considered thermodynamically favorable, historically called spontaneous, if the change in Gibbs free energy, delta G, is negative, delta G less than 0. Define endothermic. An endothermic reaction is one that absorbs heat from the surroundings, meaning the change in enthalpy, delta H, is positive, delta H greater than 0. Apply the Gibbs free energy equation. The relationship between these variables is given by the equation delta G equals delta H, T delta S, where T is the absolute temperature and delta S is the change in entropy. Analyze the requirements for favorability. For an endothermic reaction to be favorable, the result of the calculation delta H, T delta S, must be a negative number. Since delta H is positive, the only way to arrive at a negative delta G is to subtract a value, T delta S, that is larger than delta H. Conclusion. Therefore, for delta G to be less than 0 when delta H is positive, the term T delta S must be greater than delta H, T delta S greater than delta H. This usually occurs at high temperatures when there is a significant increase in entropy. The correct answer is option C, T delta S greater than delta H.